Number 213. So here we're dividing a trinomial, a 3-term expression, by a binomial, a 2-term expression. Now, we could use long division in order to do this, or we could factor. Let's try it both ways. Let's factor first. So how can we factor a trinomial? There's no GCF to take out, and the leading coefficient is 1. In a situation like this, focus on the constant term, negative 28. What two numbers multiply to negative 28 but add to 3? We know that 4 and 7 will multiply to 28, and if we make one of them negative, it will work. Negative 4 times 7 is negative 28, but negative 4 plus 7 adds up to 3. So those are the numbers we want. So we can factor it like this: x minus 4 times x plus 7. And we have an x minus 4 in the bottom. So we could cancel these terms. When they divide, they will become 1. And what's left over is x plus 7. So that's the answer. Now let's get the same answer using long division. So we're going to have x minus 4 on the outside, x squared plus 3x minus 28 on the inside. X squared divided by x, that's x. X times x is x squared. And x times negative 4, is negative 4x. So now we're going to subtract. We need to put this in parentheses. X squared minus x squared, that's going to cancel and be 0. 3x minus negative 4x, that's 3x plus 4x. The two negatives become a positive. That gives us 7x. Now 7x divided by x, that's 7, positive 7. And now let's multiply. 7 times x is 7x. And here we could bring down the negative 28. And then 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. So now we subtract. 7x minus 7x, that's 0. Negative 28 minus negative 28, that's the same as negative 28 plus 28. So that's also 0. So once you have a remainder of 0, that's it. The quotient is the answer. By the way, this should be x plus 7. I don't know why I wrote x minus 7. Because this was plus 7 here. So when we factor it, it was x minus 4 times x plus 7 over x minus 4. And so these cancel, and we should get x plus 7 as the answer. So whenever you're dividing a trinomial by a binomial, you can factor, which is a lot easier, or you could use long division to get the same answer.